Are you feeling fatigued, gaining weight, or experiencing brain fog? It could be your thyroid. This small gland, shaped like a butterfly, plays a massive role in regulating your metabolism and energy levels. Your thyroid produces hormones, specifically T4 and T3, impacting almost every function in your body. When it underperforms, symptoms like low energy and weight gain can creep in, affecting over 750 million people globally. Women are especially vulnerable, with conditions like Hashimoto's thyroiditis on the rise, affecting about 1–2% of the population. But conventional medicine often treats only the symptoms, prescribing medications without addressing the root causes. Let's explore these underlying issues that affect thyroid health. First, your gut health matters. A condition known as leaky gut allows gluten and other toxins to trigger autoimmune responses against the thyroid. This demonstrates the importance of nurturing your gut. Next, chronic systemic acidosis, often caused by poor diet, creates a toxic environment for your thyroid to function. Eating a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can help alkalize your body, creating a more suitable environment for your thyroid. Environmental toxins, especially halogens like fluoride and bromine, can disrupt your thyroid's ability to function correctly. This highlights the importance of reducing exposure to these pollutants by filtering your water and opting for natural products. Nutritional deficiencies in key elements such as iodine, selenium, and vitamin D are also culprits. These nutrients play essential roles in hormone synthesis and conversion, making their adequate intake crucial for maintaining thyroid health. Chronic stress further complicates issues, as stress hormones negatively impact thyroid function. Practices that support adrenal health, such as yoga and mindfulness, can make a considerable difference in balancing your body's systems. Take note of any symptoms you may experience, including fatigue, weight gain, depression, and irregular periods, as these could be linked to thyroid dysfunction. Women facing hormonal imbalances should especially pay attention. Now, what can you do to support your thyroid naturally? Start with a regimen of evidence-based herbs and nutrients. Try ashwagandha for adrenal support, bladderwrack for iodine, and nettle leaf for essential minerals. Implementing these into your daily routine can significantly aid thyroid function. Additionally, consider adopting a morning tea blend that includes your thyroid-supporting herbs, nettle leaf, cleavers, ashwagandha, and turmeric. This approach supports lymphatic drainage and reduces inflammation, both vital for maintaining a healthy thyroid. Ensuring regular checkups and a comprehensive thyroid panel every few months can track your progress and necessary adjustments. If you believe you may have a thyroid issue, reach out to a healthcare provider. Natural strategies can complement your treatment, but professional guidance is essential. In summary, understanding your thyroid is the first step towards reclaiming your energy and health. Address root causes, nurture your gut, reduce toxins, support your adrenals, and enrich your diet with the nutrients that matter. This holistic approach can transform your well-being. Now, take action. Consider integrating these insights into your daily life, and don't forget to consult with a healthcare professional to tailor a plan that suits your needs. Your thyroid health journey starts now.